My name is Jordan Laird, and I'm from Wheeling, West Virginia. I have a civil practice there. So one thing I'm taking away from trial guides that I didn't know before was I have been really implementing the trial guides publications in my practice for about 8 years now. And the coolest thing about Aaron's program is he was willing to really divulge it all and share it all. And so it went so much deeper than just the publications and the books that I've read. And he was willing to share those extra secrets and some of the backstories behind some of the things that happened and why they happened. So now, even some of the things that I may have kind of discredited or thought that they maybe weren't as important, I've now realized that they're far more important, and I'm going to take those and implement them into my practice. Okay, so the way that this will change my next trial in my career, I think, is the first thing and the most important thing for me is that I've learned that I have to put even more time into this than I think. And so there really is no threshold on the amount of time that you should be putting into your case. But Aaron has made it so clear that if you really are going to be you're going to be your own version of the best trial lawyer, then you have to put much more time into it, because it's only that's going to pay off in the end for your client. What surprised me the most over the last 3 days was really how much Aaron was willing to divulge and share with us. There was a lot of things that I never would have imagined that would be shared. And the thing that I like the most about him is that he's authentic and he's willing to give you everything he's got, and he's not trying to hold back on any secrets or tricks or connections or anything. He just wants you to be better. Okay, if I had to explain trial guides in one sentence to another attorney, I would say this is the single most beneficial thing that could propel you into your career than anything else. And if I didn't say that well, what I really mean is I feel like the moment that I really started reading the books and using them, it put me forward so many decades above other people that were practicing that I realized that I really have to keep going, because this is just the best thing that I could have.